Hey everyone, Gistro here, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the best settings for editing and rendering videos on low-end / budget PCs. Since I'm on one, I'm using 4th generation i5 CPU, and it's not really good for doing these kinds of stuff. Before we get into the video, please make sure to subscribe if you like the content, if you want me to put out more videos like this. I like to keep them simple, short, but helpful. Now let's jump into helping you guys. Now, when you open the Vegas for the first time, this is what you should see. You see the timelines, you see the video effects, media generators, project notes, stuff like that. You see the preview, and that's the thing we're going to talk about in this one. Why? Because whatever you do in the timeline is going to show in preview. First thing you're going to realize is this. It says project 1080p at 30 FPS. 30 FPS is terrible. Nowadays, whatever you record, whatever you download, whatever you do is going to be in 60 frames per second, which means that you're going to edit 60 FPS video and preview is going to show you 30. Which means that you're going to miss every second frame. That is terrible. How do you change that? You go up left on this thing. You can also press Alt Enter or just click on it. This guy is gonna pop out. Here you wanna change frame rate from this to this. Second thing you wanna do is go to full resolution rendering quality. You're gonna change it from good to the best. And you're gonna go to the resample mode, you're gonna change it from smart resample to disable resample. Now you're gonna click apply. Also you can do the check here, start all new projects with these settings, is gonna make your life a lot easier. Apply, okay, and you're done with that. Now when all of that is out of the way, let's say you edited your video, you want to render it now. As you can see, we have the video right here, and if I want to render it, I'm gonna select the portion of the video I want to render, and I'm gonna go to the file, I'm gonna go to the render as, and here you will see a lot of options. The best one to use is Magix, AVC, AAC, MP4. What you want to do now is focus on the first three options. First one is basic, second one has Intel QSV, and the third one has NVIDIA NVENC. NVIDIA NVENC uses the chip in your graphics card, if you have NVIDIA's graphics card, to render faster. Intel QSV uses your Intel CPU to render faster, and the first one is just basic. So if you have NVIDIA, use the third one. If you have Intel, use the second one, and if you don't have none of those in your system, use the first one. I have NVIDIA, I'm gonna use the third one. I'm gonna go customize the template. And here you wanna click on custom frame size. You wanna change it to 1080p, which is 9020 times 1080. You're gonna go to the frame rate. You're gonna make sure you type in 60, not leave it on that number. Type in 60. And here is the important part. Maximum BPS. You always want to set this to the highest because it's just the maximum that you can go, and the average one I usually set it to 135 because this is the overkill, but 135 should do the job for you. If you have less time, if you put 1, 2, 3 videos a day, you want to render faster so you can upload faster, you go 50. It's going to lower your quality, but your render will be significantly faster. I'm gonna go 135, you leave everything else as it is. You go to the project, you go to the video rendering quality, and you set it to best. That's all you need to do. You name it somehow, whatever you want to, 1080p, 60 frames, you go OK, and here it is. You just click, render, and it's rendering. That would be it for this one. I hope you enjoyed, I hope I helped, and I'll see you in the next one.